Hey guys, welcome back to the Tiki Kev shop. I know you guys are used to seeing my install videos. I figured I'd give you a little behind the scenes look of what we're pretty much doing today. And we got Carter's cutting the ridge pole. Ouch, popped my knee the other day. It's hard to walk. Anyway, Carter's working on this roof, which is going to be going to Dallas, North Carolina, for another project we're doing in the Carolinas. You guys remember my last video? We were in Myrtle Beach, and now we're doing one in Dallas, North Carolina. And we have this bar here, which is going, I think it's Bradley Beach, New Jersey. It's one of those beaches in New Jersey. This is a big one. This one's coming apart in about 5-6 different pieces so we can actually get it to where it's going. Way too big for the trailer, way too big for getting it into their yard. So I'm getting ready to rope the lower bar top on this one, and let's see what Sleeping Beauty's up to. Sleeping Beauty, she is painting bar tops today.
Hello.
Hello.
How are we doing today, Tiki crew?
Say that again.
I was asking everyone how they're doing.
How's everybody doing? Michelle would like to know how everybody's doing. So Michelle, actually, last week I showed her how to build bar stools, and how many did you make so far? 11?
More than 11.
More than 11? She's doing a good job at it, but you just can't let it get to her head.
16.
You did 16? Wow. Yeah, we got a lot of them, and now they're not crooked. Some of the bases are sitting on top of other bases. So she just finished painting that one, and we got probably about 7 or 8 more coats to go on the top of the bar stool itself, the seat. So there we go. That's 1, 2, 3. Oh, you got 5 done already? Nice. I shouldn't say the word already because it makes it sound like she's going really quick. All right, so that's what we got going on today. It's Friday the 25th. And we're going to get back to work. Love to hear your comments. And if you like our footage, please like, share, and follow. So from the Tiki Kev crew, Carter and Michelle, Tiki Kev out. Oh, and I forgot to add, I'm back. I forgot to add, did this pour on tabletop yesterday. I made the table itself for a friend of mine, and she painted it. And yesterday we did a nice pour on finish on it. So what do you guys think of that? She's either going to make it a table. It's actually a tabletop that I made for her, but she might actually make it a picture and hang it on the wall. However, this thing probably weighs about, it's probably more than a flat screen 80-inch TV. And it's only a little less than 4 by right around 2. All right, let me know what you guys think of that as well. All right, Tiki Kev out.